All right, guys, I finally got my NFL Fantasy Prize League ring in. NFL is going to tell you it takes about 10 weeks. It's more like 16 weeks, about 4 months. I sent them about 20 emails, no tracking number, but guess what it's in? If you're wondering why I got this Todd Gurley jersey, is because he is the reason why I won this ring. Let's open this up and take a look at it and see what it looks like here. This thing is absolutely amazing. It's a lot bigger than what the picture online looks like. And you can actually customize it. So I did the Game Changer. The Game Changer, that was my name. My record was 13-3. Overall, that's including everything. And then I did 20, the Game Changer 2017, obviously 2017. But this is it. Let's take a look at what it looks like wearing it. You can see right here the ring is really big as far as the size there. Looks good. The craftsmanship is really nice. Again, it's totally customizable. This thing is really beautiful. It's a heavy ring. You can see it's got a pretty thick band. Here's kind of what it looks like up close. Again, on the side. It's a really nice ring. So here's the process after you win. So then they'll send you an email to a website where you can go in and customize the ring. Double check and make sure that all of your personal information is correct. So that way when they send this to you, you will get it. And again, it takes about 4 months. They will not have a tracking number on customized rings. To customize it, it's free. And you don't have to pay to have any of that information customized like I do here, such as my fantasy name, the Game Changer, the year it comes with it, but I just wanted to fill it up with 17, and then I put the record on there all the way to the end. But again, this is a really nice ring. It's heavyweight. It looks like it's made from a pretty decent quality. It's Jostens, so they're pretty reputable. Good luck to you guys, and thanks for watching.